Hello, hello, and this is Notary Life with Kimmi. So I want to thank all of you for your support. Our channel is growing. I'm receiving many comments, and I love that. And the comments have been great in that you're implementing the business tips that I give you, and you're actually growing your businesses. Or you're learning that, oh, I didn't know I could do that, or that the process was a lot simpler than what you thought. So today I'm going to be talking about all things how to build your general notary business from the ground up. Step by step. I won't leave any vacancies in there. By the time I finish, you're going to have a business plan. Okay? So let's just get into it. So the first thing you want to do is whatever state you're in, find out what's necessary to get your commission if you already don't have it. If you have your commission, that's check one. But if you don't, find out your state requirements to actually become a notary. I cannot walk you through that because there's over 50 states. We'll be here all day. But let's get into the actual business plan once you have your commission. So getting your commission, again, is your number one thing to do. Secondly, after you get your commission, then you want to come up with a business name. In your business name, you want it to have something preferably with mobile notary, because when people are on Google searching, that's what they're going to be putting in, notary near me. So today I'm only talking about general notary. I want you to build a successful general notary business that will sustain you even when loan signings are not there or not as many. Okay, and you can make a nice living with general notary work. So I'm going to take you step by step again. So as I was just talking about, your name is very important. So try to put something in there, Jeffrey's Mobile Notary, or Notary of Snellville, Notary of Atlanta, something with mobile notary in there also, those words, because that's what people are searching for on Google. And then, so once you get your business name, your next step will be to order your supplies. Your basic supplies that you will need for your general notary business are a stamp with black ink, because even though we're talking about general notary, most loan signing companies require black ink. I have been requested to do a redo on several jobs because people use blue ink and they didn't have a black stamp. So make sure you get black ink for your stamper, okay? For your notary stamp. Also, you want to make sure you have some blue and black ink pens. You want to have the embosser that I talked about. You want to have some of those gold or silver seals. You want to have a journal, clipboards, and then a bag to put everything in, okay? This is all you need to get started with your mobile notary business. It's not fancy. It's not sexy. It's just, this is the simplest way I can explain it, and this is all you need to get started. So now we talked about your commission. We need a business name, and we need some supplies, correct? And a bag to put it in. So next, you want to have a form of payment that you can accept to make it easy for your clients to do business with you, is what I'm trying to say. Make it easy for your clients to do business with you. You want to be able to accept all types of payments. So at this time, I accept Cash App, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express by means of a Square. So you would like to set up a Square account so you can accept those payments. It's nothing worse than someone says, oh, I only take cash. Well, now I got to go to the bank or go to the store, and then I got to do this and do that and all that to pay you $40 for a 15-minute job. It takes me 2 hours to go get the money, right? So make it as simple as you can for your clients to do business with you. If I decide to go ahead and set up a business checking account, that may be something that you would like to implement also, but I didn't do that for my first 4 months. I just used my personal account. Then as I decided, yeah, I think I will be pursuing this as a career or business, then I decided to go ahead and get my business checking. So other options for accepting payments may be Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, as I already discussed, all major credit cards by means of a Square or whatever device you prefer to use. And also PayPal is another option. So there are many options, but you want to make it as simple for your client as possible to do business with you. You don't want them to have to run all over town trying to get you $40 in cash. That's going to frustrate them, frustrate the transaction. So always make it simple for them to do business with you. You also want to have a receipt book. That could be a basic receipt book from the dollar store, Dollar General. There are many apps that also that you can use as a receipt also that will send it right to them. Square is one that I use. That's my preference. I'm not selling it, but it's just something that I love, and it's very simple to use. Marketing. So how are people going to know that you're a mobile notary? just because you went and got your cards and you got your commission, no one knows. So you want to do some marketing. What does that look like? First of all, you want to maximize your Google My Business page. I have actually 2 videos that I've produced about Google My Business. One is reviews on how to grow your business. And 2, I take you step by step in my page to show you how to maximize your Google My Business page, okay? So please look at those 2 videos. So I won't spend any time on those because I have 2 videos that lays it out crystal clear. As far as your marketing and for people to know about you, you want to make sure that you get the business cards as I stated. I'm going to do a video on all of these different topics I'm talking about. Every day this week, we're going to grow your general notary business. So stay tuned because every day this week, I'm sharing a tip with you about how to grow your general notary business. And not just fluff. I'm giving you actual, factual things you can do. You guys like my rap? Oh. Also, as far as the marketing, you want to make sure you might get you some business magnets. And that will, you'll be able to use those in your business also. People will see you before you even arrive. People are writing your number down as they're sitting next to you, as your car is parked. All of that is advertising and marketing. Get out in the community. Leave your cards with people, schools, hospitals, nursing homes. I talked about that also in a video I did about marketing. So check out those videos. So the 3 videos you want to check out is Google My Business, Google reviews, and marketing. I've already done that for you. So just go back and watch those videos if you haven't already. And also you want to look at some common documents that you may find in general notary work, okay? So again, every day this week, I am putting out a new video and I'm going to help you to grow your mobile notary business, okay? Step by step. These are things that I have done. You can check out my website and it's my pleasure to share my tips with you. So it's plenty of money out there for everyone. So I want each person to grow their notary business, okay? So I'll take you through those steps really quickly, one by one again. First of all, you need your commission. Secondly, you need to get a name for your business. You need to get supplies for your business. You need a method of collecting payment. You also need marketing. And we didn't talk about it, but pricing is very important also. How you price your pricing is also a part of what you need to do to have a development for your plan. You need to have a pricing plan for your business. What does that look like? So pricing it's going to be vary from state to state. So let's just say that because what I could charge in Georgia, someone else may not be able to. So I get that. But some different terms that you need to research in your state handbook and see, can you implement maybe our convenience fee, travel fee. So what does that look like for Kimberly in my business? So what I do is I choose to do a flat rate pricing. And I'm going to do another video on that, but I don't nickel and dime my clients. I don't charge for this, charge for that. So I'm going to leave it at that because I do want to I'm going to do a video on pricing also. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to help you to grow your business. Okay? So it's been my pleasure. This is Notary Life with Kimmi. Don't forget, click, subscribe, share. Until next time.